SAUCEPAN AI. So here is one of the apps, website SAUCEPAN AI, which some people recommend as alternative to Chai. Chai app becoming super expensive and paid only. So people looking for some nice alternative AI sites, and then you can just, for example, go and chat with it. So for example, this is the idea, and then you need to sign up to chat. There is a referral code. You'll get a badge. So there is a referral code in here, and then it's not required, but you have username, pass, and then just sign up in here. So yeah, that's what it is. I'm not sure that they have the app or something. Do they? Install app. iOS. Nope, iOS app. Okay, iOS, Safari. So for iOS, they just have a home screen kind of version where you just have it like that. And then as well here. So they don't have like native app for iOS or Android. They just have this home screen workaround. So that's the SAUCEPAN app. They also have SAUCEPAN Plus Premium offering increased free day limit from 13 to 20 calls for everyone. And that's what it is.